Hello and welcome to another exciting Blender tutorial. I'm Chris Bailey and this is C. Bailey Film. We're going to be starting a new project. Let's get started. Okay, so I've been doing some brainstorming and breaking down a new idea that I want to try putting together here on the channel. So I've got this like weird speeder bike thing, and this is a real sketchy board. So I just want to kind of explain it so you get a sense of what it is. We've got this design, right, where I started with sort of classic hover bike kind of thing. But then I was thinking, what about hydrofoils like those boats, right, that have the big long fin underneath? What if we had one big long hydrofoil underneath and then some wings at the top that kind of catch the wings? And so this little sequence is a chase sequence. And I'm thinking if we have this like black obsidian planet of some kind with this static electricity that builds up, right, as these things scoot across the ground. That's kind of the idea that I'm thinking, right? So we've got lightning, we've got static electricity arcing, we've got this obsidian cracked, reflective landscape. We'll have like some kind of gradient background where we can really see the bikes itself. I'm also going to make the bikes really white, so quite bright in their design, so they stand out strongly against the background. The gist of the sequence and what I'm going to try and do, and we'll see how far we get with this, but we'll do this kind of chase sequence. We've got two of these guys, and one of them is trying to destroy the other one. Now, there's no way you can understand what this is, so I'll just explain it. The idea is to start close, have the fin come past screen, right? And there it goes, the ship. But it's going to be a weird design, right? So then we're going to cut in and actually see what the ship looks like. We'll see it kind of a bit closer, right, as those hover fins are going and the bottom fins moving. And then we're going to push into a close-up or something like this on the main character. He's going to have this like reflective helmet, look back over his shoulder, and then bam, we're going to see him dodge out of the way as some laser bolts kind of fly past, right? And then we reveal that he's being chased. So then we see this reveal as his bike moves off out of frame. We've got this other one chasing, bolts coming to camera, maybe hitting some stuff close to camera. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut to this chase cam, right? So we're behind the pursuer as he's like sliding around and firing. The other guy's trying to get out of the way, okay? Now what's going to happen is he's going to succeed. He's going to hit the fin, right? With his bolts, he's going to fire and hit the pin, and it's going to blow up. The hoverbike part, the top, right, is going to glide for a bit. It's going to kind of fly up, glide in the air, and then come down and crash onto the ground, right? So we're going to have this, tight shot as it hits the ground, grinds on the obsidian, and then we're going to show the steering wheel, right? So we have to have controls somehow on this thing, and the guy's going to swing the wheel, right, really hard to the right, and the hoverbike thing is going to spin, come around, right? And as it spins, the pursuer is going to come up and try and dodge, but he's going to spin it just such that his wings hit the hydrofoil, causing it to flip, lose its balance, boom, hit the ground, explode, and then our dude's going to look at it, watch the explosion. We'll see the reflection in his mask, in his helmet, and we'll have that'll be the end of the little scene. So it's a short scene, a quick sequence, one key, like big chunk of action. And I'm going to show you how we would do this, right, as a previs scene, right? So I often do this kind of stuff on the channel where we're breaking down or making these like, expanded scenes. But I'm going to spend a bit more time with this one and actually kind of show you the step-by-step how I would go through my process, if I was prevising on a feature film, okay? So I'm excited to bring this to you. It's going to be really cool. Let's get into it. And we're going to start off first with the landscape and figuring this thing out and then building the bike. And then we'll start mapping out with a better storyboard probably exactly how the action is going to play out. So let's get into it.